subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on, that way, you won't miss a single upload. Skoda has finally unveiled the Enyaq Coupe crossover as a sportier-looking alternative to the regular Enyaq SUV. Based on Volkswagen Group's MEB architecture, the Skoda Enyaq Coupe offers two battery sizes, 4 power levels, and rear or all-wheel drive variants for customers in Europe. The main difference over the regular Enyaq IV SUV is the sloping roofline that makes the coupe variant arguably more desirable for some customers. The new body shape also contributes to an improved drag coefficient, partly thanks to the lower ride height of 15 mm at the front and 10 mm at the rear, courtesy of a standard sports suspension. Other styling differences include the distinctive sporty front apron, body color side skirts, standard dark tinted panoramic glass roof, the largest on any Skoda model, and alloy wheels in sizes 19 to 21 inches. Despite the more emotional design, as Skoda calls it, the Enyaq Coupe is said to offer generous interior space and a trunk capacity of 570 liters, 20.1 cubic feet, down only 15 liters over the standard Enyaq. Customers can have Skoda's new EV with two battery sizes, 62 kWh and 82 kWh. There are 4 performance levels available, starting at 177 horsepower for the rear-wheel drive only Enyaq Coupe 60 equipped with the smaller battery, and the 201 horsepower Enyaq Coupe IV80 rear-wheel drive model powered by the bigger battery. There are also 2 dual-motor all-wheel drive models that come with the 82 kWh pack. The Enyaq Coupe IV80X is rated at 262 horsepower, while the range-topping Enyaq Coupe RS IV gets 295 horsepower and 460 Nm of torque. When it comes to driving range, the most efficient model is the Enyaq Coupe IV80 RWD with up to 545 km, 339 miles, in the WLTP cycle. Charging the 82 kWh battery from 10 to 80% at a DC fast charger takes 36 minutes. As with the regular Enyaq, Skoda offers customers access to 260,000 charging stations throughout Europe via the Skoda IV ecosystem and the PowerPass card.